left. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Timber. Oh, everyone's like,
no matter how much time I put into this car, it's never quite wrong.
it's quite funny, isn't it, really? It's why I don't think you'll ever get rid of it.
I am good.
Well, you'll never find another one, let's put it that way. Oh, getting all the menus, all the sweets. Wait. Oh.
Just overtaking stuff. He was happy doing it.
It still seems to idle the same and everything else.
I'd say it's definitely quicker.
Yeah, I'd say it's quicker, yeah. It's quicker, definitely, but you're revving it more, though. And I'd say it's revving quicker, for sure. Revving way quicker. Like, when does it pick up?
About 4.2, 4.3.
Yeah, it's definitely quicker.
See, even then it dropped like boost threshold for a split second.
You know what? I'd say it like it is when you first got it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you mean? When I first bought it?
Yeah. Yeah. Whether your turbos has been knackered all this time or something. Because you remember you had that point and this used to beep its fucking head off and it never used to do that.
Yeah, but I've adjusted it all now.
I know that, but like this is way before. So you used to have high boost and low boost and you could switch between them and it was quite happy. And then all of a sudden...
I think before, when I used to rev it out, it definitely felt like it was struggling at the top end.
Yeah.
Like it was just pointless, basically. Now it feels like it's actually doing something.
Yeah, it's actually happy.
Yeah.
You can definitely feel your diff almost lock up when you change gear. So I'd have said if you didn't have the diff, you would probably like fuck your diff up.
Spin the Thomas.
Yeah. I mean, fuck man, that revved to like 8k.
Yeah, revs to about 8.2. Feels like I need new front pads.
Already.
Yeah, pedal travels quite far.
That's shit if he's marked that. That's a proper gouge, man. Oh, biker gang. I hear them quite a lot up here, man. They're always razzing it around. I always got... Sounds two-stroke, whatever it is.
It's a little fucking moped thing, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah.
I'd love to see it fall off.
I think it is a two-stroke. I wouldn't encourage him anyway.
I reckon he's going to try and follow me.
You could go left. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yeah, you're good, carry it, you're good. Boost! Fucking boost. Yeah, you're good, carry it, you're good. Carry it, don't brake. Just carry it, you're fine. Nailed it. Fucking nailed it. Yeah man, definitely way fucking quicker. He tried it, bless him. Fucking hell. I think he was gone though as soon as you hit boost.
Yeah.
No, I see. Even he's turning into a drift car or...
Oh, are we recording all these calls?
No, well, only part of it. It is turning into a drift car, or it sounds like it always did. I mean, I'd like to take the engine out of it, and you know that's like the car throttle. I think guy said the best MX-5 where he did that like, clickbait video. I only watched a bit of it.
V6 one.
Yeah, and that was one of those. It was a 3-litre V6 Jag engine because you get like second gears like 70 mile an hour.
See my engine, mate.
So I did wonder. I mean, even if it's just worth ripping the engine out of it and sticking it in some, because the engine's sweet. Oh,
See my day.
oh, lovely shit.
Oh, you forgot about the struggles, didn't you?
Well, I've lost weight, so it's actually a lot easier. I think that was, if I'm perfectly honest, I think that was the biggest problem of the, I'm going to leave that there. That was the biggest problem of your MX-5, I just fucking put weight.